Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Folashade. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I grew my TikTok page from 75 to 500 followers, how I got into the TikTok affiliate, and how I made my first ever sales on TikTok shop. This is about to be a transparent video, no gatekeeping, and you can always leave a comment in the comment section. So this is a video I'm going to show you a little bit of the screen, or just talk you through how I did it. So welcome to class. Make sure you grab your phone, grab your pen, your paper, and let's write just some things down and ask me questions in the comment section. So welcome to class. The first thing is how I grew my followers from 0 to 500 followers, because in the UK you need 500 subscribers or 500 followers on TikTok to get into the TikTok affiliate shop teacher. Bringing your old TikTok from your previous country that is not accepted in the affiliate, you have to download another TikTok and try growing it from 0 to 500 or 530 followers on TikTok to be accepted into the TikTok shop. So I think I was stuck on 75 followers for a very, very long time, and my sister told me, oh, there is this TikTok growing platform, you know, all those follow me, I follow you, and things like that. It was quite embarrassing at first, because imagine me begging for followers. I hate begging for anything. So but she said, oh, I have to buy TikTok coin, join the ladies on TikTok, and she's gonna bring you up, people follow you, she's gonna bring other people up, and other people follow them as well. And I'm like, okay, that looks like something that I can do. So I think I bought TikTok coin. I bought 20, I don't know, I think I bought £5 coin. But if you don't want to buy coin, you can always do follow for follow in the comment section. But I was not going to do that. Like, I was not going to stress myself, so I decided to buy the TikTok coin. I think I spent £5 buying the coin, or £3, I can't remember. So when I bought the TikTok coin, then I joined her on TikTok. I'm going to leave her handle here. It is Blessing Fidel something on TikTok. So that day I gained about 100 followers on TikTok. I'm like, how is that even possible? I gained 100 followers, and I'm like, what's going on? But it worked. And I think at the end of the week, I gained 735 followers on TikTok shop in a week. Then the next day, our 100 people unfollowed me, so they are gonna unfollow you, because you're also gonna unfollow some people. I know you're gonna unfollow some people. So they unfollowed me, and I think I had about 535 followers on TikTok shop. On TikTok. Immediately I get to 530 followers. Before then, what I did was that I prepared my page. I started posting things. Maybe I go out, I take some pictures or some videos. I just do some random videos and I post it, so the algorithm can know that, yeah, there is someone here. Yes, I'm not a robot. Yes, I'm a real person. So I was posting, instead of consuming content, I was posting once in a while, maybe like twice a week or 3 times a week. And that was what I did. So I was just preparing my page. But if you don't want to post, that's fine, because my sister also got the TikTok shop without posting on her page. But it took her a bit of time than me. Immediately I hit 500 followers on TikTok. Then I saw a note, do you want to join the TikTok affiliate? I'm like, give it to me. So I joined the TikTok affiliate because TikTok invited me. I did not apply to anything. They invited me. I heard some people say they had to apply for things, but I did not apply for anything. I got invited into the TikTok affiliate program, and yeah, that was how I was able to grow my page. Now let's talk about mistakes. My sister made a mistake. She did not verify her age. If you don't verify your age, it invites you into the affiliate program. So you have to verify your age on TikTok, because you can't be I think below 17, TikTok won't accept you into the shop. So you have to verify your age. I think you have to upload a passport. So I use my provisional driver's license, and the accepted me, but she did not do that. So when she was 500, she was on 500 followers, she was like, Sade, they did not invite me to TikTok shop. I said, what happened? Because they really invited me. If I wanted to upload a product, like this hair is from TikTok shop, my cuff case is on TikTok shop, and I've been using this product. I've gotten this product before I even got accepted into the TikTok shop. So you can always use the products you've gotten from your house, the products you have that is on TikTok shop. Like Sony is on TikTok shop, Mac is on TikTok shop. Like this is Elf is on TikTok shop. So I can easily use this product. I did not buy it on TikTok shop, you get, but I can easily use this product, apply it on my leaves, and advertise it and put the link. So how you are gonna get the link to put in your TikTok shop? You know those yellow things you see people say, oh, click in the basket below. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna put that link so people can click on your shop to buy my TikTok page. And this was the video I posted recently. Can you see? This is the link, and you can see the hair I'm wearing. So people that want to buy will just click on the basket, and I'm going to earn £4.59 per sale. Whenever someone buy this item, this hair, then I get £4. I get £5 from selling this hair. Imagine 10 people buy this hair, then I get that. What you're gonna do? You're gonna click on the link. Now this is it. You're gonna click on the link, click on that. Let's say I want to advertise Gymshark is on TikTok shop. Gymshark is on, yeah, I think so. So this is this video I took at the gym. Let's say I want to advertise this on TikTok shop. So you're gonna press link. Can you see add link? This is where your product is. Definitely, if you have the TikTok shop, you are definitely going to have the product link. So you add your link, you see product, click on product, and look for whatever. On a normal day, you add it to your showcase. So this is my showcase. Whatever I had to my showcase, it's easier for me to just click and click. So let me see if Gymshark. Gymshark. Let me see if Gymshark is on TikTok shop. Okay, so now this is Gymshark. Gymshark is, let me see Gymshark. Okay, I don't think Gymshark is on TikTok shop. This is A. So I can't find Gymshark, but yeah, let me use this hair that I'm using. This hair that I'm wearing, definitely. Use a video. You can talk about the hair or just display the hair and just add the link. Or you can use the picture. You can always use different pictures and talk about whatever you're selling. So for this video, let me see. I already uploaded it. So now look at this video that I did. This is a random video. I never knew I was going to use it for TikTok shop, but I realized, oh, that is a nice video for me to advertise my product with. So I just go to next. I use a link, product, and this is my showcase, by the way. So you can always add different things to your showcase. Anybody that goes to your page can go to your showcase to shop, and you still get the money. So the hair is, I see, is on my showcase already. So, yep. Make sure you try your best not to add a different thing than what is on what you're advertising, because people will know. And if you decide to use this hair, and I decide to use this hair to advertise a synthetic product, and people wouldn't trust me, they're going to return it and report your page because you are lying. Because there's a lot of people that have lied on TikTok shop. So this is the hair that I use. So I'm going to do add. Can you see add product to video? You can always rename the video. So I can always say or I say click here. I can say click and add yeah, this sound is not accepted to the TikTok shop. They're going to tell you, trust me, they're going to tell you, oh, this post will be muted because the song is not accepted. I used Fola song and it's not accepted in the TikTok shop. So then I press on post and I post that. So when people then see my post and want to buy from me, it's very easy. So when people see my post, this is what they see. Can you see? This is what they see. They see the click here and they click on it and they buy, and that's it. Then I get the money. I get £4.59. That's £5 basically. So I get £5 for one person buying this wig from me. And you can always do so many things. A lot of people are into household products, and I think household products are really moving. So a lot of people do kitchen items, household products, furniture. There are a lot of things you can sell on TikTok shop. The things you have at home, as long as it is from TikTok shop, or you have gotten it from TikTok shop a while back when you don't have an affiliate link, you can upload everything and start putting affiliate link. There are a lot of people that sell clothes on TikTok shop, and there is money to be made on TikTok shop. I may be lazy, you get, but it's not easy waking up, going to work, uploading a video. So I'm trying to look for other things I can use to promote my videos. A lot of people are not using AI to promote their video, but for some reason I don't really like using AI to promote like wig, household things. No, I think AI will be better when you're selling, I think maybe shoes, you're selling a blender, you're selling you're just selling things that you don't want to show your face. Now if I want to wear this wig, if I wear it on an AI model, it's going to show that I'm not the one. It looks weird. A lot of people are doing it, but it just looks weird. I know straight away that this is AI. TikTok shop, you'll be surprised and amazed that people are buying battery, people are buying camera. So the next thing we are talking about today is going to be how I made my first sale on TikTok shop. So I was finding it difficult to make sales. The whole thing is just saturated, and the algorithm favors you if the algorithm favors you, and if the algorithm doesn't favor you, there is nothing much you can do. I don't really encourage spending money to promote your TikTok shop or whatever, because you've not started making money with it. Imagine you promoting things you don't know make sense. You get, if you've tested the product and people are really buying the product, then it's fine. You can always spend some money to make some money, but it's always okay for you to grow it organically. Just post it, and if people like it. I have a girl telling me that she posted the video last year. She did not make any sales. This year, June, she made £4,000, 4K on the video she posted last year, because it made no sales last year, but the product is still on TikTok shop and it's made sales this year. This is how I got my first sales on TikTok shop. So my sister just moved into our new house, and she told me, Shade, I'm buying some things on TikTok shop. And I told her, send me all the links, everything she needed, all these items. She sent them to me for me to add it on my showcase. And let me show you my showcase. So this is my showcase. Can you see? I've added all these things my sister said she wanted on TikTok shop, and I'm not kidding you. She bought about 13 items, and I made £2. Some of them is 95p, £1. So like there was one particular one that she bought, and I made £5 from it, from just one product. And a lot of people too will keep buying from me, and that's how I was able to at least boost my TikTok products, because if nobody keeps buying from you, I don't think these people will send you free products. Like I've only gotten 4 free products from TikTok shop, because and the ones I applied for, because I'm very new on TikTok as well, the ones I applied for, I did not get it. Like it's so difficult getting free product on TikTok. But the ones that invited me to say, oh, do you want free products? They actually sent free products to my house. So that's how I made my first sales on TikTok shop. My sister bought 13 products on TikTok and I got all the commission on all those products she got. So the next and you can always do that. If you have a friend buying something, they can always send you put it on your showcase and they go there to buy the product. TikTok is going to pay you as long as you did not buy it from your showcase yourself. If you add the product to your showcase and you go to your showcase to buy it, TikTok is going to penalize you. So don't do that. Don't go to TikTok shop, add things to your showcase and expect some money now. And the second thing is that if the person that buys something from you returns it, that they don't want this product again, TikTok won't pay you because definitely the person did not keep it. So there is no commission from you. So the only commission you get is from people that actually buy products and did not return the products. If you want to buy something on TikTok shop, like no one is sending you free products, so you want to use your money to buy things you need, I will always suggest do some research or use products that you really want to use. Then you buy it on TikTok shop and advertise it and you still get commission from those things. And the thing is that if you make 3 sales, TikTok is going to refund that money. I'm not sending you any free products. I'm not sending you any free products and you want to buy for yourself. Like I said, always buy the things you need or what your kids need or what you think you can sell, because you might not actually sell that product. So always buy what you need. So let's say they're not sending you free products and you want to use your money to buy things yourself to advertise, because that's what you're going to do anyways. It's not eligible for commission. So if you decide to sell this product, you can't get commission from this Juvia place. So if you want it's fine, but I don't want it if I can't get commission from it. Sample I've seen. Now this says free samples. It says free sample and I clicked on that and it says order refundable sample. So can you see it says generate 3 sales for a refund. So if I order this with my money, I post it on TikTok shop, TikTok, or the seller is gonna refund me this money that I've used to buy it and still give me commission from the people that have bought it from my shop. So you're going to use your money to buy it, but you get your money back, something like that. So, and this is what I don't like. Okay. So the seller is still reviewing if they want me to give me a refundable sample or not. But there are a lot of refundable sample anyway. A lot of them don't even want free thing. A lot of them want you to buy it, then they refund it. But one thing I don't like is that when you now decide to buy it, you're going to £3 on shipping. And you know, if you add something to your cart and you decide to buy everything together and you get a refundable something, they're not going to allow you. You can only buy one product at a time and you're going to pay £3.50 for shipping. There are some products that are free shipping, but most of the product on TikTok shop is £3 for one shipping. I grew my TikTok followers from 75 to 500. How I got accepted into the TikTok shop and how I made my first TikTok sale. How you can order a refundable sample and how you can get a free sample as well, basically. So this covers the whole TikTok shop video for the day. So if you find this video useful, you find this video interesting, can you please subscribe to my channel? And someone was asking me the other day, is subscription free? Yes, subscription is free. You know, when people hear subscription, they were thinking YouTube subscription, Canva subscription. No, YouTube subscription is free. When you subscribe to my channel, it is free. You cannot pay nothing for it. Hope you enjoy the video as much as I enjoy creating the content. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.